Alchemy is the transmutation of a basic material into something more valuable. A central principle of the Shor House is a kind of alchemical transformation of disused wood obtained from multiple sources. Just as the most energy-efficient building is conserving one already built, the most progressive edge of wood design is to recycle it for continuous use. The existing dry-stacked stone retaining wall was not only maintained but also enhanced, creating harmony between stone, wood, and garden, reminiscent of classical Japanese architecture. The interiors showcase Venetian plaster walls, local black Carmanah marble, and exterior cladding painted white. Despite its modest size, the Shor House demonstrates that the careful deconstruction of wooden buildings, followed by finishing and recomposition of their parts into thoughtful assemblies, extends the life cycle of materials otherwise destined for the landfill. This represents the new forefront of wood design. Here, much of the recycled wood comes from the house and barn that once occupied this waterfront site. An initial design decision was to retain much of the existing house's foundation. The floorboards of the house were captured, de-nailed, but not sanded after reinstallation, so the patina of age and wear could lend authenticity for their reincarnation in the new house. This not only preserves their historical character, but also conserves energy since the wood never left the site. The fireplace is a simple Platonic form, a cylinder of recycled steel from the coring of a bridge pile, cut with strategic holes to promote heat distribution. Despite the interior of the house being dedicated to preserved wood, the recyclability of steel, its minimal maintenance, and the rising prices of wood were decisive factors in covering almost the entire exterior in raw corten steel. The new wood, treated with Sho Sugi-ban, complements the corten steel exterior. Transforming lead into gold was the ultimate goal of alchemists, but at its core, their magic was more spiritual than chemical. The alchemy of the Shor House is to build from a palette of discarded or underused materials, shaping a dwelling rooted in the site through its own materials and the strong historical narratives associated with them. The house is a collage that imparts unexpected importance to its components, carefully proportioned and arranged in adjacency. In the words of the architect, "This house has been reincarnated."